Exercise 2B is part of exponents. The technique which we are going to learn is used to express larger number, very large number. For example, distance between two space bodies, या number of molecules or atoms in a certain quantity of matter. In this way, in this situation, we find a very large number, and that is very difficult to express numerically. So we adopt this approach. Now come to see what is this approach. A number written as m into 10 to the power n is said to be in a standard form where 1 is less or greater smaller than m or smaller than 10. So this is how, by approaching this approach, by following this approach, we can write the bigger number. Example, in exercise 2B, there are various types of numbers given. Those are very big. Suppose that we want to express this number by using this technology. This is called a standard form, to express a big number in a standard notation. 35 0 0 0 0 0. There are 5 zeros of 35. This is a very big number, and by using this technology we can write it in a standard form, which is easy to keep on in our mind. The special technique of this is we have to keep decimal here. After one digit we have to put decimal in a standard form, and for this we are supposed to divide by 10 to the power certain power. 10 to the certain power. So here we want to keep here a decimal. What should be done? What number, by what 10 to the power number, certain number, we are supposed to divide it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After before 6 we have to write decimal. Certainly in 6 1 per 6 0. So certainly we have to divide this 10 to the power 6. But the number change. To neutralize this, we multiply also the same number. Means in same type of operation is done in numerator and denominator. To neutralize to adopt new thing in this problem. Now 10 to the power 6, 1 per 6 0. इससे अगर divide करते हो, certainly decimal will be here, and so I have put here 3.5. This is equal to 3.5, and now this will remain as equal 10 to the power 6. So this number or this number, you can imagine which one is easier to keep in our mind, this number or this number. Certainly this number is easier to keep in our mind, and so we are in practice to write the bigger number in a standard form. Next example is 168 0 0 0 0 0 0, where we want to keep the decimal. We want to keep decimal after 1, यानी आफ्टर 1, एक के बाद हमको यहाँ पर पॉइंट को रखना है। व्हाट शुड बी आवर अप्रोच? नाउ काउंट द नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After 8 digits, in the beginning of 8 digit, we want to put the decimal. Certainly 10 to the power 8, यानी 1 पर 8 जीरो से हमें इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. So I divided by 10 to the power 8, and to neutralize the use of this extra number, we also multiply here. Then there is no effect on this number. Now we can write this in 1.68. 1.68 into 10 to the power 8. डेसिमल के बाद जीरो नहीं रहता है, इसलिए तुम जो है इस जीरो को गायब कर सकते हो, क्योंकि जब भी हमने यहाँ पर डेसिमल का यूज कर दिया 68, जीरो आफ्टर 68 विल बी omitted. Clear? Now one problem with question number 4. Mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. You can imagine what a big number this is. But it is in a standard form, so it is easy to read it out. 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And the mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. It is also a very big number. Now we want to find out the total mass, means the mass of earth and moon together. We are supposed to add the both given number, so the total mass equal to 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. The minimum value of 10 to the power 24 and 10 to the power 22 is 10 to the power 22. So you can take it out. So you can take 10 to the power 22 common. And now 15.5 not 15, 5.97 into 20 to the power 10 to the power 24 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. 10 to the power 22 I have taken it out. Now here 5.97 into 10 to the power 2. You know 10 to the power 22 has been taken out. Certainly only 10 to the power 2 will be left here. So 10 to the power 22 here plus 7.5. 10 to the power 22 has been taken out. Now this can be multiplied by 5.97 into 100. 10 to the power 2 का मतलब हो गया 100. This will become 597. Decimal will be omitted. 597 plus 7.35, 10 to the power 22. Now add 597 and 7.35. This will give you 604.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. So this is the sum of the mass of the earth and the moon. In previous example, we have seen how the standard form is helpful to write the given number, large number, in a standard form. Now I am giving these examples. These numbers are very small. So this technology is also applicable for a smaller number also. You can imagine 0.0006. This is a very small number. This number is 0.00000083. This number is smaller than this 0.0000000689. These numbers are very small, and it is quite difficult to keep these numbers into mind. So here we apply the standard form. Let us say all these three numbers are smaller than 1. ये 1 से छोटा है. छोटे नंबर के लिए भी ये टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा अप्लीकेबल है. Let us see how. Where we want to keep the decimal. ये पॉइंट है, ये 0 है. ये 0 तभी एग्जिस्ट करेगा जब तक कि ये पॉइंट है. If you remove this point, then automatically these 0 will be vanished. The same thing is here also. These zeros exist till the decimal exists. If you remove this decimal, automatically these 0 will be vanished. Means before a number you put many zeros, but they have no meaning. Similarly here there are 8 zeros before these digits, and if you remove this decimal, automatically these 0 will be vanished. There is no use of these zeros if decimal is removed. अगर डेसिमल को हटा दिया जाता है तो फिर ये 0 का कोई सेंस नहीं लगता है. तो let us consider where in this example where we want to keep decimal in a standard form. I have already told you that decimal should put after 1 digit. 1 digit is only 6. Here we have to put decimal after 6. So what should be done? Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. If you multiply it into 10 to the power 4, and to neutralize 10 to the power 4, we also divide it. Then decimal will come here, and this you can write here 6.0 by 10 to the power 4. Automatically this will go into 10 to the power 4. Here you can write here 0.0006 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. If you multiply 10 to the power 4, automatically here will be 6.0. Yani there is no digit after decimal, and this will be left 10 to the power 4. Now you can take it out like this by exponent law. एक्सपोनेंट लॉ के अनुसार जो है आप 10 टू द पावर 4 को ऊपर ले जा सकते हैं, और जब ये ऊपर जाएगा तो ये इसका एक्सपोनेंट जो है साइन उसका निगेटिव हो जाता है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन द थ्योरी ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. नाउ कम टू दिस एग्जांपल.
What can you write here? First of all, count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits, and if you remove decimal from here, then all these zeros will be vanished. So where we want to keep the decimal? We want to keep the decimal after 8, means here. Here we want to keep decimal. Now count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. यानी डेसिमल शुड बी यूज्ड आफ्टर 7th डिजिट। 7th डिजिट के बाद हमको पॉइंट को रखना है। तब क्या होना चाहिए? बाय व्हाट नंबर वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई 10 टू द पावर 7। जितना डिजिट के बाद रखना है उतना 10 के पावर को रेज कर दीजिए और उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए। तो नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 0 0 0 0 0 0 8 3 into 10 to the power 7, and this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 8.3. Now to neutralize it, we should also divide by 10 to the power 7. What will be numerator? Numerator will be like this: 8.3 into by 10 to the power 7. Now take 10 to the power 7 in numerator. So this will become 10 to the power minus 7. Now come to the third example. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 8 9. Where we want to keep the decimal should be after 6, यानी you have to put a decimal after 6 here. 6 and 8 के बीच में decimal होना चाहिए, यहाँ होना चाहिए decimal. Thereby what? 10 to the power, we should multiply it. Count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. यानी if you multiply this number by 10 to the power 9, then decimal will shift here from here. decimal जो है आपका यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा। तो मल्टीप्लाई 10 to the power 9. Now to neutralize 10 to the power 9, divided by 10 to the power 9. What will it become? This will become 6.89 divided by 10 to the power 9. Now take 10 to the power 9 with numerator. What will happen? The sign of exponent will be changed. Means you are writing reciprocal of 10 to the power 9. So 1 by 10 to the power 9, the reciprocal will be 10 to the power minus 9. And this will become 10 to the power minus 9. This will be answer. So this is how you are observing that the standard form technology is applicable for larger and very small number also.
अच्छा, by observing if a number is given,
how can you say that the given number is smaller than 1 or greater than 1? This is a vital question
regarding this topic.
By identifying the given number, how can you say that this number is smaller than 1 and this number is greater than 1?
By observing the sign of the exponent of 10
के एक्सपोनेंट का साइन देख करके
आप बता सकते हैं
कि ये दिया हुआ नंबर 1 से छोटा है या 1 से बड़ा है। हाउ, किस प्रकार से बता सकते हैं? अगर 10 का पावर, 10 का एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव है तो सर्टेनली दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 1, एंड इफ द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 10 इज निगेटिव, अगर एक्सपोनेंट जो है निगेटिव हो गया तो उसी समय आपको समझ लेना है कि ये नंबर 1 से छोटा है। तो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर मल्टीपल चॉइस। बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 10 you can say whether the given number is greater than 1 or smaller than 1.
Now come to the question number 7.
This is opposite examples. Before this we were writing the given number in a standard form,
and here the number is given in a standard form. We have to write these numbers in a standard form into usual form.
यानी जो साधारण रूप से हम लोग जिस नंबर का यूज करते हैं
उस रूप में हम लोगों को लिखना है। ये both numbers है, in the both numbers the exponents of 10 is negative. Certainly these numbers will be less than 1. Now let us see 2.06 into, and this negative exponent should be positive, therefore I write it in this way, yani reciprocal of 10 to the power minus 5. This will become the reciprocal of 10 to the power minus 5 will become 1 by 10 to the power 5. Now decimal, what should be now place of 10 to the decimal 10 to the power 5, यानी 5 डिजिट के बाद पहले होना चाहिए। तो नाउ हियर डेसिमल के पहले कितने डिजिट हैं? 1 डिजिट है। कितना डिजिट कम हो रहा है? 4 डिजिट कम हो रहा है 5 डिजिट बनाने के लिए। तो 4.0 के पहले 4 जीरो रख दीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5, ये 5 डिजिट हो गया। नाउ पुट हियर डेसिमल, यानी डेसिमल के बाद जितना 10 का पावर होना चाहिए उतना डिजिट के बाद जो है ये डेसिमल पहले होना चाहिए, और उतना डिजिट पूरा करने के लिए हम 0 का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। तो here there will be 4 zeros before 2, then this decimal will shift here. Similar is the case here. 4.129 into 10 to the power minus 3. Bring it, write its reciprocal. This will become 10 to the power cube. Now डेसिमल का पोजीशन कहाँ होना चाहिए? डेसिमल का पोजीशन जो है डेसिमल के बाद 3 डिजिट होना चाहिए। डेसिमल के बाद 3 डिजिट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? तो 1 डिजिट तो है, 2 डिजिट घट रहा है, तो हम 0 इधर बढ़ाएंगे। तो नाउ दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 0.004, देन दिस decimal will transfer here and write it as usual. So this is reverse process of the questions which I explained you before. Homework. Now you are in position to do exercise 2B. So you will do exercise 2